Drone flight controllers are the brains of drones, tasked with ensuring stable flight by interpreting data from sensors, such as gyroscopes and accelerometers, to make real-time adjustments to the motor's speed. Pixhawk is a highly versatile and open-source flight controller. Though primarily associated with DJI's ready-to-fly drones, the NAZA-M V2 has been a popular choice for custom builds. Betaflight and Cleanflight are firmware options that run on a variety of flight controller hardware. ArduPilot, running on the APM board, is an open-source, versatile flight controller software capable of supporting multi-rotors. The Kakute F7 is a popular choice among FPV, first-person view. Set in the comments which one you are familiar with.